I just want to give up. I want to tell life that it's won. Let it have a celebration so I can get back to something I want. Anything I want. Anything but this. I have so much to do, but instead of being stressed, I'm just sad. I feel like I'm almost never happy unless I'm high or drunk. Thing is, before I started drinking and drugs, I was just never happy. So that's technically an improvement, right? Please, who is screaming, "I will always love you" at odd hours of the night? My God. This toilet paper makes my butthole bleed. Is this for real?
To kind of bring in more of the student body's voice, and recording things that were spoke on a greater term rather than you just like lurking in the retreat hoping that someone's going to say something like that.
I'll get up early.
It's all sounds I recorded.
Because not paying class.
Oh.
And then there's that kind of like jingly thing when you're making the first right
It's the
on
last
campus,
one,
which is
though.
the bell, and then with a bunch of
Yeah.
resonators that go on it.
The last bio class.
Yeah, it's the last one.
Recorded water. Water was water. It was raining a lot when I
Look at
first
what I'm
started
presenting.
recording the sounds, and I was getting a bit on other samples.
Yeah, I mean,
And I really liked the kick I got from the book.
so I haven't done that yet, and then I also have to like spark notes this English thing, because, you know, I'm a great student like that. And now your whole class is gonna know. It's okay, you can cut out that part.